Yung iba sinusungkit, yung iba naman inaakyat. So yung mga mabababa lang sinusungkit. Good morning mga kabanana. So in part of intercropping, bukas pa kasi ang harvest, week 4. So may inaakyat yung mga coconuts. So 5 sila. I think it's about 220 something or 230 coconut trees or coconut palms na aakyatin nila. So yung ibang tao dito sa farm, they will gather and everything, and then on tomorrow they will start dehusking. So as you can see, ayan yung mga intercropping natin. Diyan yung mga saging. Okay.